this is for you. Wagwan people, my name is Peter Gay. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This channel will be about travel vlogs to beauty to lifestyle to cooking, regular vlogs, maintenance vlogs, get ready with me, just a little bit of everything. October 17th, my mom's birthday. I hope and wish that you'll be the ones to help me succeed in this and motivate me and just be a part of this with me, because this is also for you. This is something that we spoke about, something that she knew I wanted to do. So I'm doing this on my mom's birthday so I could feel like she's a part of this with me, since we spoke about it. And since I can't share with her physically like this, I wanted to do it this way, just for me to feel like she's here with me doing this. And also, so I know every year on her birthday, it'll be the anniversary of this journey. So to everybody that knows that I've been vlogging and knows about the channel, or I mentioned it to them before, this is why I waited so long. It's here now. So watch the videos, like the videos, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. I can't wait to do some pranks. Now it's like people gonna expect it because I'm saying it, but y'all ain't gonna catch me slipping. I'm a prank feel, y'all. So yeah, I'm ready. But I bet y'all not. Period. Shout outs to everybody that's been in the videos with me so far. And thank you guys for basically supporting me already before I even get started. Cheers to this new journey. Cheers to motivation. Cheers to consistency. And cheers to success. Right after this will be my very first YouTube video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share the video. Cheers. Welcome to my, oh my God. So this channel will be about vlogs. Ciao. This wine gets me. Whew. Y'all know my takes that I did with this thing. I'm tired. I need to go to sleep. What time is it? 12:31. No, I'm gonna say like period. Ooh, child, that wine got to me now. It's time for me to go to my bed.